This headstone belongs to Samantha Leroy. Samantha was born April 22nd, 1902, in Bertha, Douglas County, Missouri. She was the sixth of 10 children born to Peter or Pete and Mary Matlock Leroy. When Samantha was born, Pete was 30 and Mary was 28. She sadly passed away on December 13th, 1909, at the age of 7. I was unable to find a death certificate or any information on Samantha's cause of death. Out of Pete and Mary's 10 children, 5 would pass away before the age of 45. Two other daughters, Minnie and Ada, passed away at the ages of 3 and 9 days old. I wasn't able to find any information on Minnie's cause of death. Ada's death certificate stated she passed away due to being born prematurely. Their oldest son, Walter, passed away due to cancer at the age of 44. Another son, Willie, passed away at 24 during World War I from wounds he received in action while serving in France. Samantha is buried at Yates Cemetery in Ava, Missouri. She is buried next to her sisters, Minnie and Ada, her brothers, Willie, Walter, and Elza, her parents, Pete and Mary, and her grandfather, James Leroy. Here is the photo that I took of Samantha's grave before cleaning it, and here is the photo that I took of it 2 months later. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.